So my first paper pumpkin came in today, and I wanted to show you. It is called You Are My Anchor, April 2018. I wanted to show you what's in this kit. You have to forgive me, I am using one hand to hold my camera. So if you don't subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, you are really missing out on a fantastic deal. Because right now, they're having a half-off special. So this whole kit came to $9.98 because it's half off. It's usually $19.98 a month, but you get so much in it. You gotta see all this. Okay, so you get your Stampin' Spot, and it's a different color every month. This one is Island Indigo, which is one of my favorite colors in the whole world. With your first kit, you get your little acrylic block. And this one says Paper Pumpkin on the side. And you can see it's thinner. It's thinner than, this is the regular Stampin' Up. This is the C block. And this is the D block, so it's bigger. You'll see the difference from C to D. It's a little bit thinner, but that's okay, because that's all you need, really. So you get your stamp next, your stamp set. This set says, You Are My Anchor, congratulations, you're a lifesaver, adventure awaits, thanks for you, ahoy. And there's a bunch of awesome, cute little nautical themed rubber stamps. So let's take a look at what's inside the kit. What I love about these kits is that you can use them for anyone. Young kids, middle schoolers, high schoolers, teenagers, adults, seniors, doesn't matter what your age is. Anybody can do these kits because they're all put together for you. Everything is color coordinated, and so you don't have to think about matching anything. And you can see these are this month's projects. That's a lot of projects. So let's go ahead and open it up. I'm doing this one-handed. Well, that's not going to work. Let me set the camera down so I can open it for you. This is my grand unboxing because I just got it today. And let's see what's all in this kit. So you've got all of these adorable envelopes. And these envelopes. And these envelopes. And what else do we have in here? These are some, looks like some different kind of envelopes, or are they cards? They are the top open envelopes, because obviously they're like a sleeve, so I haven't looked at the project yet. This is brand new. They don't even have the video out yet for this. Stampin' Up, or well, Paper Pumpkin posts a video to show you what is in the kit and how to use it all. So, let me move these aside. I'll tell you what, people that can do this one-handed, that's a talent. I envy you people. Okay, so we've got some color coordinating. Oh, I see. They're scored. Do you see the score line? They're scored for you, so you just fold them to make little cards, little square cards. And you get these and these. Oh, there's more. Those are beautiful. I hope this camera is picking up the colors. This is gold foiled, so it shines. So these are all your different scored folded cards. So you don't even have to score these. They saved you time by cutting them, scoring them, and everything. You also get these. They look like boxes. They're folded. Oh, and oh, that's even better. They already put the sticky on there for you. You just peel it off. So, as you can see, you don't even need to have adhesive with you. There's some Stampin' Dimensionals. Those look like the minis. And so, because you've got the adhesive already there, you aren't going to need anything special. That's thicker than the linen thread, so I'm not sure. I'm going to have to look that up because that's a product I'm not familiar with. It might be in the new catalog, which is coming out in June. We've also got these pre-punched cuts die cuts that you can use on your cards. And there's some more. Here's some more adhesive dots so that you don't have to use any other adhesive. And then inside this back part, don't throw this away because there are the instructions are going to be in here. Yep, there they are. The instructions for how to do each of these projects is right in here. But if you don't like the instructions, you can watch the video on how to do it, or you can make your own. You can design your own cards. You don't have to follow the rules. Be a rule breaker. Be artistic. Step outside the box. So everything is there for you. That $9.98 for this month because it's a half off special. You cannot find a deal like this anywhere else. I guarantee if you go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby or something, and you try to buy all the stuff, you're going to spend a lot more than $9.98. So that's the special running for 2 months if you subscribe. Don't forget to choose me as your demonstrator if you do. I am H. Jane Harrington. You can find me under Harrington in Alabama. And I tell you what, if you're going to the beach, if you're going on vacation, if you're going camping, if you're going in a car trip, if you're going to sit and wait at the doctor's office, if you're going to sit and wait on your child, no matter what you're planning to do, this kit is going to keep you busy. If you've got littles, if you've got seniors, this is a great way to keep them active and keep them doing something fun and it's going to occupy them. And you get all of this stuff. So if you get the subscription, you can pay by the month. They also have prepaid plans if you want, and you can save a little money if you do the prepaid. I don't think the 50% off is available on the prepaid. I think it's just for the month-to-month for the first 2 months. And you can cancel anytime. You can suspend your subscription anytime. And I'm telling you, this is the way to go because there's no thinking involved and you're going to have a blast. You can do this with your kids, with your hubby, go on a date night and have a little craft date night. Maybe he'll do that with you. So have fun stamping, and I hope that you get your kit soon if you haven't gotten it already. And if you want to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, go paperpumpkin.com and look up Harrington in Alabama, and I'll be your demonstrator. So have fun stamping.